Doge is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we failed to break above a very key resistance level here around the 0.11. I mentioned the fact that we are looking for a pullback opportunity because of the fact that we were in overbought territory, and ideally we are looking for a possible retest to around that 0.08. The reason why I want to see the 0.08 level tested, of course, is the fact you can see we only saw one test before we finally had this move set. So from a bullish case scenario, we would like to see that retest on a third test opportunity and then the continuation. Now, of course, if we do see a continuation from these exponential moving averages being used as support, we have to try to break above the 0.11, which is a very key resistance level. The reason why this level is so important, as you can see from previous price analysis, in my old videos, I mentioned the fact that if Doge were to ever break this level here at 0.11, we could be looking for a massive move to the downside. You can see as soon as we broke that level, we saw multiple bearish engulfing candles retesting our lows here at 0.07. Right now, Doge is still looking like an uptrend, of course, because of the fact that we are using these exponential moving averages as support. But you can see in terms of the RSI, we were in that overbought territory, which is why I'm leaning towards another pullback opportunity to that 0.08 and then the continuation. What we want to see, of course, is a healthy pullback. We don't want to see just a straight move to the upside because that tends to obviously be a lot more manipulated. And of course, from a bullish case scenario, we would like to see that pullback opportunity possibly down to 0.08 and then the continuation. Now, if we talk about the bearish case scenario, of course, because of the fact that we are below the exponential moving averages and we are retesting them somewhat as resistance, I wanted to quickly talk about the fact that how would a bearish case look, whether or not this move was a fake out or not, or exactly what happened. From a bearish perspective, of course, if we did get a clean break below the 0.08 level and then start to use it as resistance, that would give us a confirmation to be looking for that shorting entry, possibly back down to the 0.05. The reason why I'm mentioning that level specifically is you can see on Doge right now, we have tested this level at 0.07 3 times already. Usually on the fourth test, we do see a breakdown formation. So if we do enter that territory back again, and if this move was a fake out, that would give us a confirmation to be looking for a beautiful shorting opportunity overall. On the hourly time frame, you can see, although we are above the exponential moving averages, we are still in somewhat of this bar formation, right? You can see that we had this beautiful move set to the upside, and we have yet to complete that bar formation to the downside. I would like to see that retest around that 0.09 and then the continuation. But of course, from a bearish case scenario, anything lower than that would obviously validate the fact that we are looking for a retest on this major support, and we could be looking for a larger move set. In terms of the hourly, though, I did want to talk about something that was a little bit interesting to me. Number one, of course, is you are starting to see more and more midterm support levels kind of being created on the hourly, right? You can see when Doge tried to break below these levels of the exponential moving averages, we had multiple hourly candles and then immediately after a bullish engulfing candle, and we are now seeing the same sort of move set again, right? We are starting to see more and more inverse bar formations on the hourly for that continuation. So keep an eye on that when you guys are trading. If you guys are looking for those shorting positions, go ahead and look at the hourly to see how things are reacting. Of course, if we do use these levels as resistance and create new lower lows, that would give a better confirmation than entering a position when it's already starting to create these midterm supports. In terms of the daily time frames, you can see that Doge is above the exponential moving averages, using them as support and a continuation. Doge is looking obviously a lot more bullish right now on the daily time frames because of this, and of course anything below the daily time frames in terms of these exponential moving averages would obviously give us that confirmation that this was that fake out or bull trap move set and then the continuation down. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.